Hi, Melissa Halsey here. Let's take a moment to talk about mindfulness. So we'll have a little mindful moment here, and where we just stop and we breathe, focusing on the breath and breathing in, pausing at the top of the breath and breathing out, pausing at the bottom of the breath and breathing in. Pause, breath out. Pause, breathe in. Now you can calm your mind by using your mind to shape your breath and practicing a Samavriti breath, which is the equal inhale, the pause, the equal exhale, and the pause. And so initially I was counting on my inhale, pausing, counting on my exhale, pausing. So I use my mind to shape my breath, to calm it down, to bring it fully present in the moment, to let go of whatever I'm worrying about or thinking about, and to simply be with the breath. If you can do this for 5 minutes a day, focus on the breath, you'll begin to notice what you notice, and what you'll notice usually is how the body feels, what's on your mind, what thoughts are flickering by, what thoughts your mind wants to grab onto and hold on to and fight about or worry about or ruminate about. And you'll have an opportunity to even notice where those thoughts originally come from. So the more familiar you get with your own mind, the more you'll be able to maintain an equanimity, move forward from a place of calm, and not be so reactive to thoughts or feelings in the moment. So, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. And I hope that you enjoyed this moment of mindfulness.